Anna has a small room. In her room, she has many things she uses every day. She has a bag for school. It is blue and very light. She puts her notebooks, pens, and pencils inside the bag. On her desk, there is a small lamp that she uses to study at night. Next to the lamp is a round clock. The clock tells her when it is time to go to school. Anna also has a small mirror on the wall near the door. Every morning, she looks in the mirror and uses her comb and brush to fix her hair. She has a box for her hair items. She also has a small basket for dirty clothes. There is a big shelf with her books, crayons, and some toys. Her favorite toys are her teddy bear and a small doll. She plays with them after school. Under the shelf, she keeps her scissors, glue, and paper for crafts. Anna's chair is next to her desk, and there is a soft rug on the floor. She sits on the rug when she reads. In the corner of her room, she has a small box full of old stickers and erasers. On the wall, she hangs her favorite hat and scarf. Anna loves her room. All these things help her study, play, and feel happy. On her bed, Anna has 2 pillows and a warm blanket. She also keeps a small stuffed animal next to her alarm clock, which rings every morning. Her cupboard has her clothes, shirts, pants, socks, and shoes. She opens it every day to get dressed. On top of the cupboard, there is a big box where she keeps her old drawings. Sometimes she takes them out and looks at them with a big smile. These small things in her room make her feel safe and loved.